Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a delicious fall inspired recipe. This is one of our favorite recipes for the fall time. It's just so warming and it is so delicious. You're going to love it. It's for my walnut, sage, and pretzel crusted pork chops. They're so easy. So I've got all of my ingredients ready to go. So let's go over the ingredients and get started. Alright guys, this is everything that you're going to need. Before you start, go ahead and make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to need some pork chops. Now you can use whatever style of pork chops that you like. I've got some little small boneless pork chops here, but you can do bone-in, that's fine. It works with any style of pork chops. Some walnuts. For seasonings, I've got pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some sage. I've got some Dijon mustard, some salt and pepper, and I've got some salted pretzel sticks. And that's about all you're going to need. So let's get everything situated and we'll get started. Okay guys, so I've got my little handy dandy chopper here. And you're pretty much just going to add everything in here except for your mustard and your salt and pepper. Because we've already got some pepper in here. So we're just going to add our walnuts in with our pretzels, along with our pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and sage. Want all of this very well combined. Now when you blend this together, you don't want it a fine powder. You want some texture to it. So just blend it up until you get like a coarse crumble. I'll show you what it looks like when it gets there. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. You've got some big chunks in there and then like some fine powdery bits, and that's fine. I just want it enough to leave some crunch to it and also coat the pork chops. So I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to get out my little brush here. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to season the pork chops with a little bit of salt and pepper. You don't want too much because the pretzels are quite salty. But you do want to flavor the pork chops themselves. So we're just going to go ahead and season these with salt and pepper on both sides. Just a little bit. Okay. And we're done with the salt and pepper. And now all you're going to do now is just brush these with your Dijon mustard. You want quite a coat on there so the pretzels stick to the pork chops. And you want to do this on both sides. It's going to get quite messy, but it'll be worth it. So I'm just going to go ahead and coat both sides with my mustard here, and I'll meet you right back here and we'll coat the pretzels. Okay, so we've got our pork chops coated with the mustard, and now all we're going to do is just take these and dip them into the pretzels. Make sure that they're completely covered in those pretzels, and then just place them on a lined baking sheet. And then you're going to pop these in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they're done, about 145 degree internal temperature. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish all these up, pop them in the oven, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And as usual, if you want this recipe or any of my other recipes, you can click the link for my website down in the description box below. It's also pinned in the comment section. So we're going to go enjoy dinner, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.